Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing well. Eid is just few days away and hope you all are getting ready to welcome Eid just like how we welcomed Ramadan. Our Eid this time will be in UAE. Yes, we are traveling to Dubai for celebrating Eid with friends and family. Not sure when I'll be able to upload the Eid vlog because we have few days to spend with our very close friends and families there. I have been really busy this Ramadan putting vlogs regularly than usual. So I shall try to upload stories on my Instagram for Eid. So make sure you're following me there to get updates. Maybe once we are back, I'll give you the glimpses of our Eid in Dubai. Towards the end of this video, I have shared a flavorful prawns biryani recipe and a pudding dish you could try this Eid. Keep watching this vlog. Now in my previous video, I had mentioned that I'll try showing you how I maintained my weight this Ramadan. Before that, let me tell you, maintaining weight is much harder than losing. Because when you are trying to lose weight, you are on a strict regime with no excuse from workouts. But when we try to maintain the weight, we try to have few cheat meals and feel lazy to work out on some days. That's the reason why I'm still in ATP. Because I don't have to hit the gym, I can work out from home in my comfortable space. In ATP, there are workouts 6 days a week with a personal nutritionist constantly keeping our track. At least for their sake, we be on track. It's been 1 year I've joined ATP and I'm still continuing with them. They are doing a wonderful job on a healthy transformation for so many, including me. If you watched my weight loss journey video posted last year, you must be knowing all about what I ate, my workouts and all such. I shall share that video link in the description box. Just for my new subscribers, a quick briefing. ATP is Abin's transformation program where they help you to lose weight in a healthy way. You don't starve from your favorite childhood meals. They give a balanced diet based on your lifestyle. They have workouts for all levels, beginner, intermediate and advanced, which are done by professional trainers 6 days a week. The live sessions are on Zoom at different timings. All the timings mentioned here are Indian Standard Time, so you can join as per that from wherever you are in this world. Beginning with 6:30 in the morning till 7:30, then at 8 a.m., now 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 12:30 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. These two batches are ladies only batch. They have recently started a new session which is at 3:30 p.m. Then after that, the next batches are at 5:30 p.m., 8 p.m. and 9 p.m. In case you miss any day's workout, there is a compensation workout on Sunday. I always prefer live workouts, but if you're not comfortable doing it live with the cameras turned on and working in groups, they have recorded session as well. Every week there will be weight checking to know your progress. Now I started this weight loss journey last Ramadan, so I know how it goes and it wasn't hard for me even this time. If at all my family wanted to have some snacks, I used to either air fry or make any steamed snack so that I can have it guilt-free. Once we get into this lifestyle, we don't want to go back, so we try to make options for a healthy routine. If at all there are only fried snacks, I will try myself to skip those and have my dinner soon. I have my nutritionist full-time on behind me to advise why you need to follow a healthy routine. And even if I eat when I crave for sweets or fried snacks, my workouts play a big role there. I try my maximum to not skip my workouts. And I haven't skipped even in this Ramadan. Working out while fasting is never encouraged by any trainers and it's never the healthy one. I work out after breaking the fast and before having dinner. I used to have fruits and any sugarless juice. Then after workout will be something like rice or anything made with rice. For suhoor, it will be chapati with some curry, be it veg or non-veg. So if you are looking for a healthy transformation, contact ATP on the number you see on the screen. More details are in the description box. What more? Like every time, they have offer and this time it's Eid offer of 20%. Use my code Mom-tastic at ATP to reveal the discount valid for 24 hours. Hurry up and don't lose this chance. Stay healthy, stay fit and stay happy. Having said about all the healthy stuff, even I love to have biryanis and desserts for special occasions. Here's where I said the workout helps. So enjoy your biryani for Eid. Have a bowl of kheer or puddings because you shouldn't miss those as well. And later, work it out to burn those calories. It's balanced. Here I have a recipe for you that you can try for Eid. It's a very delicious, flavorful prawns biryani. Very easy to prepare and very tasty. I had 1 kilo prawns that I deveined and kept. Then you need to fry 4 medium-sized onions, few keeping aside for garnish. Into the same oil, I fried few cashews and raisins, and this is again for garnish. Had to anyway fry some papads, so fried that too in the same oil. I'm using a wide clay pot for preparing the biryani. Into that goes in around 4 tablespoons of the leftover oil and 4 tablespoons of ghee. Saute 1.5 tablespoon garlic paste and 1 tablespoon ginger paste. Blend 4 medium tomatoes. Once the ginger and garlic is being sauteed for 2-3 minutes, add the blended tomatoes. I pulsed 1 cup thick curd few times in the blender before adding, just to get a smooth texture. Add the curd to the tomatoes. Make sure flame is medium. Then goes in 3 tablespoons of chili paste. Let that boil. Then goes in a handful of chopped coriander leaves. Add the fried onions, leaving few aside for garnish. Mix. Now goes in 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, and half teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix well for a minute. Now turn off the flame. Add the prawns. Adding some salt and mix. The cooking will be done after you put on dum, so make sure the flame is turned off. Keep that covered. Now for the rice, you may use basmati rice if you want. I have used 4 cups jeera rice. For that, take 8 cups hot water in a pot. To that goes 2 small bay leaves, around 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves, 5 cloves, a medium piece cinnamon stick, 6 cardamoms, a small piece mace, a teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 tablespoons ghee, 2 to 2.5 tablespoons salt, and mix. Once it starts boiling, add rice that's washed. You don't have to soak it, just wash, drain and add. Keep the flame on high till it boils. Then reduce the flame to the minimum and let it cook till water evaporates. Dip a spoon or spatula and see if the water is dripping. If not, then it's done. Mix. Now layer the rice on top of the prawn masala. Spread evenly. Sprinkle few chopped coriander leaves and add some of the fried onion. Use some for garnishing later. Let the steam not go out. Here I covered the pot with an aluminium foil. Turn the flame to high medium for 3 to 4 minutes. And then reduce the flame to the minimum you can and cook for 15 minutes. You can hear steam hitting the foil. Turn off the flame and it's ready to serve. Mix gently. Bring the masala from each side to the top and mix gently. That's your flavorful prawns biryani. Garnish rice with fried onion, cashews and nuts on top. Serve with curd, pickle and papad. This biryani is very delicious and my family enjoyed having it. I made this for suhoor as well, but had very less left over that I had to cook something else too. I had mentioned this in my last year Eid vlog. I used my epilator to remove the hair from my hands, and applying henna after that makes it really pretty on your hands. I shall link the product in the description box. As I said, we are going to Dubai for Eid, so I don't think I'll have time to put this later. I had shared a glimpse of this on my Instagram story. Next, moving on to a very delicious pudding using China grass and Rooh afza. This is China grass, 25 grams packet, using half and soaking it in water for 5 to 10 minutes. Meantime, preparing a Rooh afza solution. Add 4 cups water in a saucepan. I had hot water in my kettle, so using that. To that goes in Rooh afza, adding 2 tablespoons and mix. Then goes in 3 tablespoons sugar. I added 1 more tablespoon of Rooh afza. So here I used a total of 3 tablespoons Rooh afza and 3 tablespoons sugar. Now add the soaked China grass into this. Boil till the China grass melts completely. Once it's melted, turn off the flame and transfer the mix to a pudding tray. Let that cool down. Later, place it in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes or until set. Preparing a custard mix for this dessert, using 4 cups milk in a pot. Take 4 tablespoons custard powder in a cup and mix 4 tablespoons of the milk from the pot. Mix and keep that aside. Just when the milk reaches the boiling point, gradually add the custard mix and keep stirring or else there will be lumps forming. Make sure flame is low-medium. Keep stirring till it becomes thick. When it starts bubbling, that's when the custard is ready. Turn off the flame and let that cool down. Now for cooking sabudana. I took 4 cups water in a saucepan and kept that for boiling. Here I have taken half cup sabudana or the tapioca pearls that's bigger in size. When the water boils, add the sabudana and mix. Let that cook. When the white color disappears, that's when it's cooked. The custard has cooled down and it's not smooth. As it cools down, there will be some lumps. So you can either strain. I added to a blender to make it smooth. Add that to a bowl. Then goes in 110 condensed milk. You may add more or less. This is 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Add the sabudana and mix. Now this mixture is the same I showed in my Eid Sweets video published few days back. Just a quick recap. Now for this Rooh afza dessert, you will need 1/4 cup cashews, 1/4 cup almonds and few raisins. Chop the cashews and almonds, then roast all the nuts and raisins in 2 tablespoons butter on low flame. Just when the color starts changing, add half cup desiccated coconut and roast till it turns to a nice golden brown color. Once it cools down completely, add it to the custard. Take out the china grass from the fridge and cut into cubes. You may cube it into your desired size. You can keep it bigger cubes or smaller ones. It's up to you. Now you may use a whole of this or use half. Depends on how much you love to have that Rooh afza flavor in your dessert. Now add the custard into this and give a mix. Have this chilled. I placed it in the fridge for 2 hours and then served. The rose flavor from Rooh afza, the crunchiness from the nuts, and the milky smooth texture from the custard. A good blend of all makes it a good dessert for your Eid. So do try this as well as the biryani on this occasion and let me know your feedback through my Instagram or email. So see you all with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.